the Lord gave me a vision that He's going to win the universities and the schools to Him, back to Him. Ang sabi kasi ni Jesus sa atin, be salt and light, di ba? Be salt and light to this world. So ngayon po, we should be salty. Sabi mo sa katabi, maalat ka. You're salty. Don't wait for your pastor. Don't wait for your youth leader. Don't wait for any minister in the church to go to your school for you to have a campus ministry. If you are a student there, you are a campus missionary there. You don't need to wait for someone to stand up for your school. You already represent your school before God, and now you will represent God before your school. And I want the students here to light up in the schools. Shine the light of Jesus in the schools. Be the salt in your school. Be the salt in your classroom. You're not there to be a bystander. You're there to bring revival to your classroom. Amen?